Hello, wonderful people from the other side of the phone screen. I hope you guys are doing something amazing in your life. And welcome back to English with Sujata. I am Sujata. So आज हम जानेंगे एब्रीवेशंस, जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हम लिखते हैं वो हम अपनी नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में आजकल हम एब्रीवेशंस लिखते हैं, छोटे छोटे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो जानते हैं कि और एडवांस एब्रीवेशंस क्या हैं. So let's get to know it. TBH, to be honest. BRB, be right back. B4 N, by for now. By for now. BCNU, BCNU, BCNU. W/E, whatever. W8, wait. W8, wait. So, XO, hugs and kisses. Y, Y. YO, YOLO, you only do one. You only do once. YNT, why not? Why not? ROFL, rolling on floor laughing. Rolling on floor laughing. TTYL, ta-ta, for now. YW, you're welcome. You're welcome. ZZZ, sleeping, sleeping. MMB, message me back. Message me back. NC, no comments. No. NOOB, newbie. No, या फिर हम लिखते हैं NOOB, newbie. GMB, got my vote. Got my vote. HTH, hope this helps. PTW, by the way. CTN, can't talk now. CYE, check your email. Check your email. ETA, estimated time of arrival. Estimated time of arrival. FWIW, for what it's worth. For what it's worth. FYI, FYI, for your information. For your information. GTG, got to go. Got to go. OT, off topic. OT, off topic. POS, POS, parents over shoulder. Parents over shoulder. RT, real time. RT, real time. RBTL, RBTL, read between the lines. Read between the lines. POV, point of view. POV, point of view. LBR, later. Later. J/K, just kidding. Just kidding. ISO, in search of. In search of. IRL, in real life. In real life. IMHO, in my humble opinion. In my humble opinion. AFAIK, AFAIK, as far as I know. SFW, SFW, safe work, work. HMB, HMB, hit me back, hit me back. TTYS, TTYS, talk you soon. TTYN, talk to you never, talk to you never. LOL, laugh out loud, laugh out loud. HMB, hit me back. TIA, thanks in advance, thanks in advance. TGIF, TGIF, thanks, thank God it's Friday. That's it. How you find my video, you can tell me in the comment section. Subscribe my page. You can follow me on my Facebook and my Instagram. आपको कैसी लगी ये वीडियो मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो मुझे बताना जरूर और एक सब्सक्राइब जरूर करके जाना. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.